Well, here we are again as promised. Welcome to my channel. I've got the BetaFPV VR02 goggles here. If you haven't seen the review of these I've just done, check it out on top of the screen there. Entry level budget box goggles from BetaFPV. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to do a quick field test, and I'm going to use the 95X here, and I'm going to try and put my Osmo action into the screen here so you guys can check out that video streaming feed on the screen. As we all know, these don't have DVR, they are a budget level entry. The antennas are inside, the batteries inside, super compact, super cheap, and I think it ticks all the boxes if you just want to see if this is the type of box goggle for you if you are just beginning your FPV journey. I'll have some DVR footage going from my sky zones that you can see, and I will have the Osmo action sticking its nose into the screen there. I'm hoping the footage turns out okay so you guys can see what's going on. Okay, let's fire up my whoop and let's get cracking. Fired up. Simply press the center search button. It will scroll through until it finds your signal, which we've just found. Make sure we're all ready to go. Looking good. Okay, in we go. There you have it guys, the BetaFPV 95X with the VR02 goggles. I'll be interested to see how that turned out. I'll be very interested to see how we went for reception. These were just sitting here like that, facing that way, and I actually flew over there, fair bit of height as well, so we'll have to see how that internal, I assume linear antenna performed with it just being dead still, facing actually almost to the ground. So if I got any reception over there, I'll be quite impressed. Thumbs up guys, follow the links below if you want a set of these. Bargain price. See you soon. Skypilot. Good job. Catch you later.